guys, you are welcome to class. Welcome to class. This is Institute of Market, and I'm glad this is the beginners class of the Institute of Market. So we have finished our introductions already, so there will be no need for me to be asking us to introduce ourselves anymore, because this is actually the crux of the matter. So you're welcome, beginners forex traders and also advanced trader who are already experienced in the building. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and continue. So this is the free forex online course for beginners with coach Sam Peters. I'm a forex trader and I am an educator. I've been trading this market for some time now, at least 5 to 6 years, and I have very good experiences, records of, some records that I have kept. Okay, I've traded big accounts, I've traded very small accounts, I've traded account of $200,000. All right, trading for clients and friends, and also I have done trading of small account as little as also $5, and I have made result out of them. So you're going to be learning out of my experiences within these 3 days, and I am sure that at the end of these 3 days you are going to benefit from it. All I just want is your full and undivided attention. So let's go on. Who this course is made for? All right, this course is made for absolute beginners. If you are here, you are an absolute beginner, you don't know what forex is about, you don't even have the slightest idea of what we are talking about, this class is for you. And this class is for intermediate traders, people who are aware of the trading business, that knows how to trade, but are not beginners, right? Then we have experienced traders. So even if you are here, you are not a beginner, you are not intermediate, you are very good, you are a professional. If you are in this class, there's something you will still learn, of course, definitely. One of the things in the trading industry is education never finishes, like learning never stops. Okay, people will keep learning, the learning will always continue. Also for knowledge seekers and for professionals, people who just want to keep knowing something, who just want to have some skills to always add to their toolbox, those are the people this course is also meant for. So you're welcome. Why people fail? So let's just begin by going this way. Why people fail? Number one, people fail because they have a wrong mindset. That's right. So why are you coming into the trading industry? First of all, this is the aspect where we want to know. This is the aspect we want to know your reason for actually coming to trade. The wrong mindset. Are you coming to the trading industry because you are broke? Of course, you are broke, and then you want plenty money. You want your family to not to suffer again the way Nigeria is. You want something that will escape you from poverty. So let me go and trade and see, maybe I will make money. And then you are now coming to the market with your $5, with your $10. Since Mr. Sam Peter say you can trade $5, you can trade $10. No, the mindset is wrong. The reason why you should be coming to trade is, first of all, to come to understand the skill. They have been lied to. A lot of people come to trading forex because people lie to them. They tell them when you start trading forex, there is cars, there is house. You are going to have this, you are going to have that. All this, you will not have problem again. All the problem concerning your finances is finished. Nothing. But things don't work like that. Everything that is good takes time. All right. They don't have a staying power. A lot of people come to learn forex because when they started and they don't start seeing results immediately, they just give up and then they start running to the next available thing. That is not how this thing works. So in case you are hearing any destructive noise right now, it's my shower running. We just had something, so just brought the light and trying to fix something. Okay. All right. Okay. So they don't have the staying power. They are there today and they are in the next thing tomorrow, especially our young people these days. Most of our young Nigerians, most of them are going into Yahoo business because they think that one is faster for them to make more money. But things don't work like that. Whatever that is going to make you rich will demand your time, it will demand your energy, it will demand all your full attention. So if you are here in this class and you really want to take it up from here to begin your forex journey, you need to believe that this is a skill, and like every other skills, this skill need to be mastered. Okay? And you must stay until you know it. Okay? So nobody does well in any field doing it for only 2 years, doing it for 3 years. No. You can do something, master it well if you have been doing it for the past 4-5 years and you are stable, you are focused. You are consistent, not jumping in and jumping out. People hate process. They don't want to go through any suffering. They don't want to go through any process. They just want to be the alpha and the omega. They just want to enter the thing and start making money. Yes, the time it would take somebody who goes through mentorship to start making money will be very short, of course. Yes, when we started, we didn't have money. We didn't have money to pay mentors because forex courses was so expensive. Even right now, mentorship in forex, if you want to get real mentorship, right, it is expensive. The cheapest you can get if you are serious is from $500. All right, $500. Okay, so those are processes you are going to go through. So for someone who does not have a mentor but who has staying power, the person can stay for like the next 3 to 4 years mastering the skills, going through the process, going through losses, going through failures, going through heartbreaks, and all of that. But eventually, if the person refuses not to give up, he will master the process. But the person who just pay his way under 1 year, under 6 months, depending on how serious the person is, he has mastered the craft and is on his way to make money. Because even if he lose, he can also come back and say, how did I miss in this place? Mentor now, okay, do it like this next time, do it like this next time. They don't want mentorship. I've already tried to hammer on that. You need mentorship. Okay, mentors will help you go faster, help you understand faster the things it will take you 5 years to understand. Okay, something it will take you 5 years to understand, the mentor can help you understand it in, say, 6 months, to 1 year. So the something is right now, the truth is, when, like me, there are courses I am learning online, but not in forex. Okay, in other field. All right, I told myself these days I don't want to learn anything by myself again. Okay, I have capacity to learn. Like me, I learn anything very fast. That is me. But I saw it now that there's no time again. You understand? That there are a lot of things now that if I want to learn, instead of me to take 1 year, 2 years, 3 years to sit down and start learning it again, I don't have that time. I just pay. That is the way I do it right now. I just pay mentors. And I just join their classes. All right. All these free things. All right. Free things are good, but they don't open everything to you. And for example, nobody can teach you Forex in 3 days, okay?